When I found myself surrounded by concrete shadows and men who smiled only with their teeth, that I learned the truth. Bullies don't change. Only your response does. Whether you're in a classroom, a boardroom, or a cage made of steel, the same psychology applies. So listen carefully. These are the rules I learned the hard way. Rules that make a bully regret choosing you. 1. It starts with the eyes. Always. Don't stare like you're trying to look tough. Don't look away like you're weak. Hold the gaze just long enough to say, I see you, and I'm not moving first. Your eyes are not windows. They're weapons. In every hierarchy, the eyes decide who bows. 2. Your body speaks louder than your mouth. Walk like your spine is woven with steel. Shoulders relaxed, steps slow, chin slightly down. Not out of fear, out of control. The ones who raise their chin too high usually fall the fastest. 3. Start with peace, but be ready for war. The strongest mindset. I'm good with you, unless you force me not to be. Be cooperative, polite, reasonable. But the moment someone crosses a boundary, don't hesitate. Push back once, clean and sharp, then return to calm. Bullies only understand one language, the language of consequences. 4. Never feed a bully emotion. Anger fuels them. Fear excites them. Silence destroys them. Stay neutral. Use logic, not fury. Use humor, not panic. Your calm becomes their confusion. Your stillness becomes their mirror, and they won't like what they see. 5. Build alliances before you need them. In any environment, from prison blocks to office floors, power grows in networks. A favor builds a connection. A connection becomes a shield. A shield becomes a tribe. Bullies don't attack people who have people. 6. Sharpen yourself daily, not to brag, not to show off, but because competence is a quiet threat. Learn strategy, learn wit, learn discipline, learn self-defense. The one who trains in silence moves differently. Bullies sense it and walk the other way. 7. Silence is your sharpest blade. Not shouting, not arguing, not explaining. Silence, paired with steady eye contact, is the oldest form of dominance on Earth. Stand tall, say nothing. Watch how fast the bully folds. People think power comes from fists or rage. It doesn't. It comes from presence, from calm, from knowing exactly who you are and refusing to bend for anyone. If you're reading this, you're not learning to avoid bullies. You're learning to become someone they never touch twice.